Tired of that overflowing jar of coins taking up space? Weary face wondering how to finally turn that jingling change into usable cash at TD Bank? You're in the right place. We've all been there, saving up coins, only to realize getting them deposited can sometimes feel like a treasure hunt. But don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. Here's the deal with depositing coins at TD Bank. The TD Bank coin policy: no more coin counting machines. Let's get this out of the way first. TD Bank no longer offers coin counting machines for customers. While they used to have penny arcade machines, these were retired in 2016 due to reported inaccuracies. So, if you were hoping to just dump your change into a machine, that's unfortunately not an option at TD anymore. This is a common trend among many major banks, who often find the machines costly to maintain and prone to issues. Your solution: coin wrappers. So, what's the alternative? Coin wrappers. This is the primary method TD Bank, like most other banks, requires for coin deposits. Get them free. You can pick up coin wrappers for free at any TD Bank branch. Just ask a teller. They'll have them available for pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Roll them up. Your task is to sort and roll your coins at home. Each wrapper is designed for a specific denomination and holds a set amount, e.g., 50 pennies, 40 nickels, 50 dimes, 40 quarters. It might sound tedious, but it's a great way to visually see how much you've saved. Pop on your favorite podcast or some music, and it'll fly by. Don't forget to count *. While the wrappers will help you gauge the amount, it's always a good idea to count your coins before rolling to ensure accuracy. Making the deposit at the branch. Once your coins are neatly rolled in their respective wrappers, you're ready to head to a TD Bank branch. Teller transaction. Simply bring your pre-rolled coins to a teller. They'll accept the rolls and process them as a cash deposit to your account. It's a straightforward process, just like depositing paper currency. No fees. For customers. As a TD Bank customer, there's no fee for depositing your rolled coins. Partial rolls. If you have some loose coins that don't quite fill a wrapper, don't fret. You can typically deposit these as well, though it's best to have the majority of your coins rolled for efficiency. Alternative options to consider. While coin wrappers are the way to go at TD, here are a couple of other options if you're looking to offload your change. Coinstar. These kiosks are widely available in grocery stores and typically count your coins for a fee, usually around 11.9%. While convenient, you'll pay for the service. You often have the option for an e-gift card with no fee. Self-checkout at stores. Some self-checkout machines at supermarkets accept coins. This can be a slow process, but it's a way to use up your change without rolling or fees. Just be mindful of other shoppers if you have a large amount. So, while TD Bank doesn't have those fancy coin counting machines anymore, a little bit of rolling at home is all it takes to turn that jar of change into real money in your account. It's a simple, free, and effective way to manage your coin savings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.